Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Priyanka Gupta and I teach subject EVS of class 7th. And this is the second chapter which is going on. And this is the third part of the second chapter. Second chapter, that is atmosphere. And this is the third part of the second chapter. Now I have to discuss about the topic that is greenhouse effect. Now, what is greenhouse effect? The atmosphere has different gases in certain ratio. The atmosphere has different gases in certain ratio, but the ratio is changing due to various activities of humans. Now, burning of fossil fuels in vehicles, industries, powerhouses, and homes release a lot of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Since plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Plants take in carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis and gives out oxygen. Large scale of cutting down of trees also contributes to the increase in the percentage of carbon dioxide in air. Now, a layer of carbon dioxide acts as a glass wall of greenhouse, allowing sunlight to pass through it, but preventing radiation of too much heat from the Earth's surface into the space. However, excess concentration of carbon dioxide in air traps more heat from sunlight and the temperature of the atmosphere increases. This is known as a greenhouse effect. Temperature increases in the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Now, the topic that is global warming, if we'll talk about the global warming, the greenhouse effects led to an increase in average temperature of the atmosphere. This is called the global warming. The greenhouse effect leads to an increase in average temperature of the atmosphere is called the global warming. As a result of global warming, glaciers are melting fast, leading to an increase in sea level. This may flood and submerge the coastal areas. Methane, CFCs, and water vapor are other greenhouse gases. Further, if we'll talk about India, in India, while the average temperature had risen by 0.4 degrees centigrade for the better part of the 20th century. 0.4 degrees centigrade for the better part of the 20th century. The rate has climbed to about 0.6% in the last 30 to 40 years. Climbed to about 0.6% in the last 30 to 40 years. This is not much change in temperature at night, but days have become hotter. This has increased the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature, so the weather is changing. Now, a reduction in the dependence of fossil fuels. And promoting afforestation are the most effective methods of reducing the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. Again, promoting afforestation. Afforestation means planting of more and more trees. If we'll promote a forestation process, then this is the most effective method of reducing the percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. Hope you all have understood till here. This is your chapter 2nd. And if you have any doubt when the school will reopen, then we will discuss. And there are exercises I will send you in PDF file. Thank you and have a nice day.